Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that all of you are having an amazing day. So guys, I want to do a quick snatching, and I'm talking quick. I've already put on some black French tips from enailcouture, 123 Go Nails. Oh my gosh. And I used the pink bubblegum gel. So, you know, if people are wondering, what does it look like on a dark skin tone minus the dry skin, because obviously I need to use cuticle oil, this is what it looks like. It's absolutely amazing. So when I do use it, especially if I'm not gonna, you know, cover the cuticle area like this area, I will use a brush on the inside and really, you know, mesh everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and just wipe that tacky layer off the nail. Honestly, this set is going to be giving all the Skittle vibes. Now, I've already previously unboxed these neon disco gels. So I'm just going to get a little bit of each of it down on my palette to use. Guys, I am going to speed up this bit because I'm literally going to be painting the tips the color. So I am just going to go around the French, and then I would obviously be able to just use the bottle. So I just got the thumb to do. And what is that? Thank you all so much for watching. Look at the flash. Look at that flash. I'm going to take some shots at night when it's dark, because that's when you're going to really see the flash. But yeah, just something so simple, so basic, so everyday. Fun gel. Like, I cannot. Please feel free as well, guys, to use and share my discount codes on screen. My discount code. Save yourself some coin. Look at those claws. Oh my gosh. Roll on darkness. Bye, guys.